Hey everyone, I had the opportunity to go up to UP of Michigan to their Trappers Convention in Escanaba. I met up with Jeff Hagerty. He owns Hags Brackets. He's the founder of it, and talked to him for a little bit, did like a little bit of interview with him, and I ended up buying some spring clips for 110 body grip traps, and they can be used on 160s as well. I kind of did like a little bit of a impromptu interview with him. So here's that clip. And by the time you come back, I'll be in my basement installing one of these. This is my first time using them. So bear with me and we'll do this together. So watch this little interview with him and we'll be right back. All right, look who I ran into. Owner of Hags Brackets, Jeff Hagerty, and J3 Outdoors.
J3 Outdoors, that's it, buddy.
Check him out, and he'll be in Canada in September.
Yep.
September 5th and 6th.
Yeah, I think it's the weekend. I don't know. It's whatever the weekend after
Labor Day.
After Labor Day is.
Yeah, so
yeah.
He's got a good product. I like it. I just bought some more from him today, and I'm going to try him out this fall.
Yeah, you'll be happy with it, man. We do. So we got, obviously all of the drowning rods for beaver, and then our flagship stuff that we started out with was the Hags brackets, which allows you to trap vertically in the water column, set your trap wherever you want, generally at what I like to call a top edge set, so where critters are crawling in, crawling out of a body of water. Maybe it's off a shoreline, off a hut, off a rock, off a log, whatever it is, you can set it, or a culvert. So we got that, and then our spring clips and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, we'll have all that in Wisconsin. So good stuff. And the thing is I don't know if you see the display, but we got the ability, if people don't know what it is, they can come out and they get hands-on with it. They can mess around with the display and kind of demo it themselves a little bit. So that's been helpful to people. Sure. To try and learn what it's all about, and it just changes your way of trapping, right? It changes your the way that you approach your trap line a little bit. So yeah,
and American made.
American made, bro.
Awesome.
That's it.
No better way to do that with.
Yep, absolutely.
All right.
Well, I appreciate you coming out, man. It's
Not a
fun.
problem.
Finally got to meet you.
Yeah, same here. All right, the tools that you're going to need are a hefty screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, channel locks, and a bench vise. What you're going to need to do is take your trap, clamp it down in the vise pretty tight so it's not going to go anywhere on you. Take your flathead screwdriver, go to the arm of the spring that's closest to you, spread that apart like so. Then take the spring like this, go to the inside of the spring, pull your screwdriver out, then go to the next one. There's three coils right here. Go to the next outside one, place your screwdriver in there, grab your spring clip. I'm going to go this way a little bit more, just for a little bit more. It's kind of ain't the easiest, I'll tell you that. There we go. This spring behind this right here, then your clip is gonna sit flat. Okay, just kind of adjust it the way you need to adjust it. I'm kind of anal when it comes to certain things like this, so it's exactly in the middle from what I see. So let's go back outside and I'll show you how to set it up. All right, what I should have mentioned earlier, that this setup is for a 3/8 smooth rod. There's other clips that he has for 220s and 330s for beaver trapping and possibly otter trapping as well. and those slide over 1/2 inch rebar and smooth fiberglass rod like this. And all you have to do is take this, slide it over, and it moves freely up and down. As soon as you let go, it's going to stop. The tolerance is very, very minimal as far as the spacing between the clip and the fiberglass rod. So I'm going to set the trap and I'll show you how to adjust it. There's a bunch of different ways how to adjust your trap, set your trap up. It's like I said, if you watch Jeff's video, he'll explain it a lot better. And if you made it this far, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, hit the thumbs up also. And I'll also leave a link to his website and his YouTube channel down below. All right, what I'd like to do is, or what I probably will do, is slide this ring from your chain, slide this over the rod, and adjust it accordingly. You could do so many options with this. You could, here's the ice, you could put your bait on the dogs or on the triggers, or you could adjust it like this, and it just fell apart. But you get the concept. It's going to move wherever you need it. You could set it in a run. You could, there's so many different ways on how to adjust the way you want it. A trail set, under the ice. And for a trail set, like I have a video out there with modifying this 110, and I'll still use this, but I think I'm going to use this probably a little bit more than I will this. This will be good on land. So with this for a trail set. So that's how I'm going to do my setup this year. I'm going to take the 110s that I have, put these clips in, and go from there, and hopefully have some success on the trap line. Like I said before, if you made it this far, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, you know the drill. So yeah, hope you like this video. Hope you found it informational as much as you can. Jeff's a nice guy. I'm friends with him on Facebook. I met him last week for the first time, and a really nice guy. So I like his product. It's very ingenious per se. It's a good product. So he's got a lot of other, he has a lot of other products out there. So check those out. I believe he sells some of these fiberglass rods, and he's got drowner clips and things like that for beaver trapping. So check him out and enjoy the little things.